Hello everyone, good afternoon, and to all my friends and followers and subscribers and students who are watching my videos. You see here, I'm launching a new course for 2023 and 2024, 2025 and onwards. So this year I'm going to do everything in very shaped manner. So for second year, third year, final year and pass out students, I have made a proper batches, and now you have to share this video with all the students they are in need. You can share this in your college WhatsApp groups or to the related students. So this is for the new admission, new batch and new courses. So it is amazing. You will see here the way I have classified. So we are going to discuss all the GATE AE 2023 course details. And one more thing, I hope you will like the presentation. Actually, I in this way I don't used to make videos. I used to simply write on my screen and I used to scribble. But because this is the beginning of 2023 platform, right? So that's why I thought no, I should do everything in very proper way. Now see guys, here lot of things are about to come in this video. First of all, you should know, if you are very new on the channel, you should know who am I. So my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav and I am the founder and CEO of conceptlibrary.in. This is my website, and here itself you are going to give all the test series. And I am AMASI means Associate Member of Aeronautical Society of India, and I have completed my degree in aeronautical mechanical from here itself. And five times GATE A qualified, and I am also taking classes in abroad countries for pilots and for aerospace engineers there. So pilots and aerospace engineers there. So and I have 7+ years of experience of teaching GATE AE, ME and XE subjects, and I have 15+ years of teaching to IIT JEE target batch and NEET aspirants. Now see, once I'll complete this year 2022 batch, if you are following my video channel, you will be knowing this. So then my all experiences will grow one more year. Okay, now see what are the things I'm going to provide this year. So the very first thing is GATE Foundation Bridge course. In later video I will explain what is all these bridge course, and GATE target course I will explain future and very soon. Test series, topic wise, chapter wise, subject test series, full length test series. Total number of test series will be 365. This is my dream project. I'm working on this. Now see, study material, PDF form, topic wise assignment in PDF form and video solution, previous year solution in PDF solution and video solution, and previous year means whatever questions they have asked in previous year, their solutions. And see, already some solutions are available on YouTube, on my channel and on others channel as well. But the way I will explain the question, the way I will explain the fundamentals of the question, I am very sure that that makes myself different than others. Okay, now see, dedicated unlimited doubt session. This is you can say that see, one is that when I'm taking the classes in the live class, you'll be asking your doubts. That is different. Other than that, okay, I'll explain what is this. Now see, one-to-one personal support. So their moral support, mental support, academic support, mentoring. Like when you are preparing for GATE exam, there will be a lot of ups and downs in your life, and you will not be knowing like how to go. Even though you are attending my live classes, but still you'll be facing some trouble at your personal level. So I will explain those things and I'll help you there also. So and then we have crash courses with 2 extra revisions, and then post GATE guidance. Like once you got your rank in your GATE exam, then what to do and how blah blah things I'll explain. Now see. So first of all, what is GATE Foundation? What is Bridge course? So for aerospace department, I am the first coaching center announcing about the bridge course for GATE Aerospace, and I'm already taking for previous batches, but not in this way. Now I am going to be completely like a commercial. Okay. Now see, many students they have joined engineering college by direct admission without qualifying any entrance exam. Okay, if you are watching this video sitting in IIT and sitting in some NIT or some colleges, then no problem. It is very sure that your basics are very clear. Many students are average, and many students are below average students, so their basics are not up to the level for the physics and math. So this course, which is bridge course, will help to make your basics very strong. It brings you to the level so that you can ready for GATE target, so that you can go for GATE preparation. Now any individual can join this course, any individual, whether you are from my institute or you are from other institute, no problem, you can join this. What is the advantage of this? Very strong basic knowledge, very good grip on physics and mathematics, aptitude and reasoning knowledge will be very strong, and this will help you in the part A 15 marks questions in GATE exam. Okay, Now you see, what is GATE course? In GATE course, we used to cover our core syllabus. In that we have, I mean, the syllabus which what they are going to ask in GATE exam. So aircraft structure, propulsion, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, rocket propulsion, space dynamics, numerical ability, verbal ability, miscellaneous. Okay. Now a course duration will be, it will run from Feb mid, like just after GATE exam, like in 2022 when GATE exam will get over in 5th or 6th Feb. After that we'll start this course. Every year I used to start the course in Feb 15th. Like last year I started on Feb 15th. Okay, so the course will get over by the end of October mid. Okay, now class timings will be 8:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Note down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, now you see. What is assignment? I'll be providing you assignment, right? So what is assignment, guys? So every day after class I'll be giving you 3 very good questions, very good questions, and those questions will be solved, completely solution. Okay, so you'll be given with 3 very important numericals with solution after every class. Numericals will be very tricky, they will be tough, and they'll be lengthy as well. Okay, which will make your level extremely up. Now this solution will be available in 2 formats, PDF and video. It depends which kind of course you are choosing. Now, what is test series? So guys, you know what is test series, no need to explain what is test series, just go to that part. Test series plays very important role. I'll change the color. Test series plays very important role in your all India rank, and you will be given total 365 test series, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise. And when you are dealing with topic wise, chapter wise test series, then in every single mock paper you will be having 10 amazing questions. They are not any simple questions like I am asking that what is the unit of density. No, not this kind of question. They will be question of very high level and very good quality. If really I can say that one question will be equal to 5 basic questions. Okay, so in one test series I'll be having 10 questions if I'm talking about the topic wise test series, chapter wise and subject wise test series. So you'll be having so many test series, 306 test series for topic wise, chapter wise and subject wise, and full length test series is 60. In full length test series 60 test series are there. In every test series you'll be having 65 questions, and that will include your MSQ question, MCQ question and NAT questions. Okay, all the questions will be there. And of course in future, because once I will upload this video on YouTube, then what if in future they are GATE authority is changing the nature of number of questions, nature of questions and type of questions. If they will modify, then I will also modify in my test series. Okay, and currently this year for 2022 students I am going to give 250 test series, right? And in that I have given only 15 plus full length test series. But next year this is my dream project, so that I should make 365 test series. Why I have chosen 365? Like every day student will do one test series, 365 test series, every day one test series. Okay, like it's like unlimited, man, unlimited. You will be having so many days when you will not work during preparation, like any festival, any some work. But my dream plan is to give you 365 test series. Okay, anyway, 250 test series will be given to 2022 batch. But this video I am making if you are in second year, third year or fourth year and planning to target, or passed out and planning to target 2023 batch, 2023 GATE. Okay, now next, see what kind of presentation I have given. So good presentation, right? I hope you will admire this. I hope you will like this. And see, I don't ask for likes, so it is not my point. Simply I'm saying that I'm liking this presentation. Dedicated unlimited doubt session. So dedicated unlimited doubt session means what? Actually here we discuss extra doubts which is other than your class doubts. In live class, when the class is going on, definitely you'll be having some doubts, right? During the class, that time you'll be asking doubts. So that doubt I will explain in the class itself. Other than that, I'll be providing you some extra theories, some extra numericals, and that will be solved. Any numerical will be not unsolved. All the numericals will be solved. Okay, but maybe during solution you may have any doubt. So that is called a dedicated unlimited doubt session. So how much doubt you want to ask, you ask. How much doubt you want to ask, you ask. No problem. But that doubt should be related to GATE. Okay, it should not be unnecessary doubt. So I'll just read this. If you get any theory numerical from the study material, whatever I am giving you from my side, only from that question you can ask doubts. Now class doubt will be solved during class itself. This session is for extra doubts. Now note, unnecessary doubts will not be taken if it is not helpful for GATE exam. Now see, what is crash course, guys? So in case of crash course, actually see, there are some people, they will not join in Feb month, March month, April, May, June, July, August, September. They will not join. They will not feel that they have to write GATE exam, but suddenly they get the mood, okay, I have to write GATE exam, and they'll apply the form, and then they are not prepared at all. So for those kind of students, I run crash course. So my regular batch students will also join the crash course for the revision purpose, and new students will also join the same crash course. Okay. Now, actually, in the crash course, what happens? I teach everything from basics. I teach everything from basics. It will start in November month and it will go till Jan 20. So from November 1st to Jan 20, you can say roughly it is like 80 days course. Roughly 80 days course. In this, everything I'll provide. Now timing 6:30 to 11 p.m. with dinner break. For the crash course only I am talking. Okay, and this course is already included in many courses, and it can be taken as a separate as well. Okay, you can take separately as well. Now what is a one-to-one personal support? So that also I'm going to give one-to-one person. It's not like one-to-one. It's not numerical digit. Simply I have written. So students can call for their personal support. Okay, it is like a call which will boost your confidence level by pro guidance. I will give you, like, that's what I was saying, like, I have so many years of teaching experience, and I myself have taken GATE exam so many times. So you can say that more than 12 plus years I have enrolled myself into academics of GATE Aerospace. So it is like, when you are preparing the GATE exam, you'll be having so many positive and negative thoughts every day. Your mind will not be stable, and you may have some personal family issues. You may have girlfriend boyfriend issues. Maybe you are married and you are not able to find time, or something, but you have taken the course. Like lot of logics I have, so that you will feel disturbed. So in that case, I will help you. You can talk to me. You can call me. That's what I am saying here. Like, by pro guidance, not only those things, there are so many other things what you will face, that you should talk to someone about GATE. Okay, so for that also you can contact. Okay, so for that, personal support is very, very important. So for every student, personal support is not required, because it is included in a particular packages. Okay, now you see, maximum duration will be half an hour for a particular call, and in 1 week you can give only one call. Okay, and one call, if you are not attending in any week, so that call will expire. So you'll be getting new call in new week. Okay, so half an hour I have given to every student every week. Okay, I mean, if you are one student, then your half an hour will be in 1 week. Okay, and if you're not attending that 1 hour, then it will expire. Then in next week you'll be getting another 1 hour, another half an hour, then again in next week another half an hour. Okay, so anyway, all the important things I'll be discussing in class. Whatever is important, all the guidance I'll be discussing in live classes also, right? So even if you are taking the video course, no problem, I will be guiding you in the video courses and live classes. Okay, video courses are nothing but the recordings of live class. Whatever I am teaching in the live class, same thing I will record and I will give to you as a video course. Okay, but still there are some personal supports are needed. Okay, now you go for name of the courses I'm giving. So I'm giving CLS Plus Pro, CLS Plus, and CLS Plus Pro. Here CLCL stands for Concept Library. This S stands for second year, S for second, so second year. So I have 3 courses for second year students, and I will detail what I have for second year students. So you can see, second year students, if you are choosing CLS Plus Pro, then you will be getting bridge course. Who should take bridge course? Average students and below average students, they should take bridge course. And if you are taking CLS Plus Pro, you can go for 3 years of subscription. In 3 years of subscription, you'll be completing everything 3 times every year. I mean, if you are in second year, right? So in second year, and in third year, and in final year, 3 times you have to give GATE exam. Okay, so that's why 3 years of subscription. It's up to you. You can also go for 2 years of subscription. Okay, if you are choosing CLS Plus. Now CLS Plus Pro. Now if you are going for 3 years, then you have 9 times revision. And if you are going for 2 years of subscription, you have 2 times revision. Okay. Now what is bridge course? Already I have explained. So in case of CLS Pro, you have bridge course in both the formats. You will attend the live classes, and video will be given to you after the class. Okay, it's not like, sir, what if I don't want video? No, no, no. Actually, video is complementary if you are coming to the live class. If you are coming to the live class, video is complementary. Okay, if you don't want to come to live class, because I have given the timing, right, in the gate crash course gate course timing I have given. So the timing will be 8:30 to 11 night time. So if you are not able to attend live classes, then you can go for videos. So in that case, you should go for CLS Plus. So in that, you don't have live class for bridge course, you don't have live class for gate course, you have only videos available. You can go for video. Assignments are available in PDF form and video form also in CLS Plus Pro, and test series is available, study material available, handbook available in PDF form, and here I have written here. So handwritten CL notes are available in PDF form. PYQ solution in PDF plus video course, and then extra doubt session and crash course. Now see, a crash course will be live and video, both will be available for you. Then revision, live and video, both will be available for you. Then one-to-one person support will be there. So this is for the CLS Plus. If you are going for CLS Plus Pro, if you are going for CLS Plus, then in bridge course you have only video, only PDF. This is complete. You'll be getting complete. You'll be getting, and no video here, only PDF you'll be getting, and no extra doubt session for you. And in crash course, only videos will be sufficient for you. In revision, no need of live class, only videos are sufficient for you, and one-to-one personal support will be there. Okay. So this subscription is for 2 years, and 2 times and 6 times, like this, right? 2 years preparation, 6 times revision. And if you are taking CLS Plus, your subscription will be valid for 2 years. Okay. And see, actually, what is the meaning of year? When I'm saying year means whenever you join, on what date you are joining, that date does not matter. Whenever you're joining the course, just on next gate, that course will get over. Suppose on 15th April 2022, you are joining the course, just an example. Then automatically, when the gate exam will happen on 2023 in Feb month, your course will get over. So that's that is my sense to say that 1 year. Okay. Now see, you cannot claim that, sir, I joined on 15th April, but you should give me till the next 15th April. No guys, it's not like that. Once the gate exam will get over, your subscription will get over. After that, you cannot access anything. Okay, now you see, if you are choosing the basic CLS plan, so in basic CLS plan, you don't have bridge course. Okay, because who should choose basic CLS plan? If student is a smart student, if student feel that I am good student, then no need to go for CLS Plus and CLS Plus Pro. Your basics are sufficient. See, actually, what do you want for the gate preparation? You want that you should have the properly organized material, what to study, what not to study. Okay, so for that, this video course is sufficient. This video course will guide you. Okay, because they are the live courses recorded from the live classes. Okay, but they're in video format. Assignment and solution. So no need for video solution, because if you're a good student, then you can go for PDF solution itself, no problem. Test series will be given to you, study material will be given to you, handbook given to you, written notes given to you, PYQ solution, PDF form only sufficient for you. No extra doubt session, no crash course, no revision, no one-to-one person support. And if you are planning to take any course, then you have to message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +916380135260, and on this WhatsApp number you will contact me and you will say that, sir, I have watched your video and I want this course. So you have just say the code name, like you just have to say that CLS Plus Pro I want, or CLS Plus I want, or CLS I want. Okay, then I will give you fees details there. Actually, why I'm not talking about the fee details here, because every year I may change the fees. Okay, so but this video is static. Once it is on YouTube, it is on YouTube. Okay, in the video I can't edit, so that's why. And definitely one more thing, you should visit to my description of every video. I have given all the proper playlist. Now go for next. I think video is being lengthy, but I have to cover this, no problem. I thought in 15 minutes I can cover, but it's more than that. So see, if you're in third year batch, then I'll change the color. I'll use blue color. If you're in third year of your college, you're doing third year, then in that case again you have CLT. This T means third year. CL means concept library. Plus Pro, CLT, again and again here CLT. See, this is your basic CLT plan. In basic CLT, what you have, you'll be getting your gate course, and this for 1 year subscription, because just after third year you can just in third year you can prepare for one time. That is enough. Okay, so in that in the basic plan you have only video course, And in assignment you have only PDFs, no video. And no need to go for bridge course. Who should go for bridge course? As I already have explained, if you are like below average, or if you're average student, then you should improve your basics, because basics will help you a lot. Your basic knowledge should be like physics and mathematics at basic level should be very strong if you're preparing for GATE exam. So that's why. Okay, first I'll explain the pro exam. So in pro batch plus pro, so there you have bridge course. In that you'll be getting it is very similar to the second year. Live also, video also, live also, video also, PDF also, video also, complete test series, complete PDF, and PYQ solution, PDF also, video also, and extra doubt session, yes, there. Crash course, yes, live also, and this video also. Crash course will run in November 1st to Jan 20. Okay, now revisions, yes, of course in January month we'll be having revision also. So live also and video also, and then this thing, one-to-one support also. But if you're going for plus CLT plus, then you don't have live, only video, and GATE course only video. You can go for bridge course also, only video is sufficient. If you feel that you are a good student, then go for assignment, then no need of video, only PDF. So mostly CLT is actually kind of complete video based preparation. Okay, so test series, yes, there. Test series will be completely solved. Keep in mind, every single in the test series will be solved. Every single question in the test series will be solved. Okay, when you will submit the test series, then you will be getting solution, and then handbook, then handwritten notes, then PYQ solution. So in PDF form you'll be getting. Then extra doubt session, no. Then crash course, no live session, videos are enough. Revision, no live session, videos are enough. And one-to-one support is there in this batch. Okay, now go for basic plan. In basic plan, as I said, no need of bridge course, so no bridge course. GATE course in video form, assignment in PDF form, test series in all 365 test series, study material PDF form, handbook PDF form, handwritten notes. Okay, it's there in PDF form. PYQ solution only in PDF form. Okay, no extra doubt session, no crash course, no revision, no one-to-one. And this is 1 year. And here you have 2 years subscription and 1 year subscription, anyone you can choose. Again, here also you have 2 year subscription, 1 year, anyone you can choose. Okay, now go for 4th year, final year, or pass out students. Actually, see guys, for 4th year, actually let me change the color. For 4th year I will change the thickness. Can I change the thickness here? For 4th year I had CLF, concept library, 4th year. But for the pass out student I had CLP. But actually 4th year and pass out student, their courses are exactly same, because 4th year student is also looking only for 1 year preparation, and of course pass out student is also looking only for 1 year preparation. Okay, that's why the name is CLP. Only one course is for both, CLP plus pro, CLP plus and CLP. So any three you can join anyone. Okay, 3 courses are there, you can join anyone. Now I'm totally tired. Okay, now see here, bridge course, this L and V. L means live class, V means video class. GATE course, assignment, test series, study material, handbook, like everything whatever I have mentioned here will be given to you, but subscription is only for 1 year. And of course fee structure will be different than 2nd year and 3rd year. Okay, then again here, whatever, no live class, only videos, no videos, only PDF. And here test series, study material, handbook, and handwritten notes, so CL notes and PYQ. This everything will be there. In PYQ will be in PDF form, no video solution for PYQ. So crash course, in crash course you don't have live class, only video. Revision, no live class, only video. One-to-one support is there. Then go to bridge course, then go to CLP basic plan. In basic plan, no bridge course, only GATE course is enough, video course is enough. No live class. In assignment only PDF will be given. In test series complete will be given. Okay, but in PYQ you'll be given only PDF, no video course. So here also in PYQ no video course, here also in PYQ no video course. Okay, here also in assignment no video course, here also in assignment no video course, only the PDF. Okay, no extra doubt session, no crash course session, no revision session, no one-to-one support, and subscription you can go for this one. Okay, that's all guys, I explained everything. And now if you are willing to join the course for 2023, so 2023, 2024, or whenever you're watching this video in future also, you can just contact me and on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number I have given, so take down that, and you have to say that, sir, I want to join CLP plus, sir I want to join CLS plus, or sir I want to join CLT plus and something, or whatever you want to join, you just text me that sir I have watched your video, now I'm interested to join this. And one more thing, you go to description, go with the playlist, and first you judge what kind of teacher I am. The way I'm explaining the concepts, they are amazing. You go to my different videos, okay? So after going through, you first you go to my channel, 3-4 days you watch all the videos, 3-4 days, 5 days, you watch all the videos, okay, whatever is there on my channel. Then you will come to know that okay, really I am teaching amazing, okay, and you watch my toppers interview, and then you decide to take any course, right? Thank you guys, that's all.